In this video, I will show you how you can make easy and quick money online from the comfort of your home. For this trick, you just need an internet connection and a computer or a smartphone. This trick is so underrated and yet so easy to do. If you need easy and quick money, this is a great passive income making method. It would be great for you if you start using this trick as soon as possible. So today, I will show you how you can edit some photos without a need for software or any experience for that matter. In step number 1, I will explain what we are going to do today. In step 2, I will show you the best method I could find to do that in the least amount of time with minimum effort. And in third step, I will show you 2 amazing websites that we will be using today that will pay us. Hey Money Crushers, welcome back. You are watching Money Crush, where we make your dreams come true. So firstly, I am going to tell you what we are going to do. We are going to edit some photos. This is not going to be tough at all. We are not going to professionally edit these pictures. This would be a simple process where we can automatically colorize a picture. For this, you won't be needing any software, and as I said, you can do it from your smartphone too. By colorizing, I mean we're going to convert a black and white picture into a colored photo. I will show you what I mean by that. I have downloaded a sample photo to show you how it works. You can also try it by downloading any black and white photo from sites like Pexels.com. Pexels is a website where you can get high-quality photos without any copyright, which means you can use them anywhere without getting a copyright strike. So, to convert this black and white image into a colorized photo, we will go to a website called colorize.com. It is a free website that uses the power of artificial intelligence to automatically fill in colors into your photos, and it actually comes out pretty amazingly accurate. To use this website, we just have to click here to select and upload our black and white photo. After that, nothing, just wait for the AI to do its magic, and voila! We just filled colors that were never there into our photo. To download it, just click the download button. It's completely free. As you can see, the result is pretty impressive. I will show you another amazing website. But before that, consider liking and subscribing. It would mean a lot. So the other thing which you can do is, you can remove background from your portrait pictures too, using another website called remove.bg. It's short for background. It is also an easy and free-to-use website that will remove background from your photos. To do that, just click here and choose the photo from which you want your background to be removed and let the AI do its magic. As you can see, the background is removed and you can download this picture for free. So, in total, it will take less than 2 minutes to colorize and remove the background from your photo. Isn't it amazing? Artificial intelligence is so impressive these days. So we have learned to colorize and remove background. Now it's Stacy. How are we going to make money by removing background and colorizing our photos? Well, I'm going to show you. You are not going to be doing this on your own photos. This is the services that you will be providing to others. You will colorize other people's photos and get paid for doing that. But where will we find the people who want their photos to be edited? The thing is, you are not going to be looking for people. Instead, they will be looking for you. This brings us to our last step. Here, I will show you 2 websites where you can provide these services. The first one is peopleperhour.com. It is a freelancing website where you will become a freelancer and provide this service to others. You just have to make an account on this website and explain what service you are providing and at what price. Just edit some sample photos to put in your description so that people can look what you are providing. As you can see here, people have already been doing the same here and are earning huge amount for doing such a small task. They are colorizing photos and charging $10 to $50 for that. You can also see the number of orders they have completed till now. Like this person, who has completed 430 orders till now and is charging $15 for it, which means they have made around $6,500 till now, minus some fees which this site takes for using their platform. Think about it, you will be able to make $6,000 passive income for such a small task, and remember, you can do it from your smartphone too. Now, let's move on to our next website, which is also similar to this one. It's called fiverr.com. You can register here too and make a gig to increase the number of orders, which means more easy money for you. This site is also amazing, I would suggest you to make 2 gigs for each of these websites. One for colorizing photos and one for removing background. You know how to do these, now start making some extra money. And if it seems difficult to set up accounts on these sites and make a gig on your own, just comment down below and I will make a video on both of these websites explaining in detail how to set it up. So, that is all for today, and just so you guys know, I am giving away $1,500 to a lucky person who finds the Easter egg I have hidden in one of our first 10 uploaded videos. Make sure to check them out and comment down below if you find the Easter egg. Thanks for watching. I am Stacy, and you are watching Money Crush, where we make your dreams come true. Keep dreaming.